Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat Wand channel. I'm Cat's mom, and today we'll be making some salad for 18-inch dolls. This is probably the easiest American Girl craft I've ever done. It's really easy, and the results are so realistic. I'm going to start by printing out the printables. If you go to the description box below, there's a link to my Google Drive where you can find the printables. There are 6 different salad kits to choose from, all from Fresh Express. You can pick just one or make all 6. My dolls recently complained that I really feed them quite unhealthy, so salad it is. By the way, if this is the first crafting video you watch on our channel, we already made a realistic milk and realistic bread, and previously we've done some other realistic foods as well. There's an entire American Girl DIY playlist on our channel, you can check it out. I also put some links in the description box below, in particular the links to the milk and bread videos. Every Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we post realistic food crafts. Now I'm going to grab some contact paper and cut out a piece that's a little bit bigger than our printable. And then I'm going to do my best to apply the contact paper to the front side of the printable. By the way, if you are new to this channel and not a subscriber yet, I definitely recommend subscribing. We post all kinds of American Girl videos. Like I said, every Friday we post crafts, but we also post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. I also suggest turning on the notification bell, that way YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. Okay, now it's time to glue these 2 pieces together. I'm going to make sure that there's extra contact paper on the front side of the printable. If you can't attach the contact paper in 100% smooth fashion, that's okay. A little bit of bubbles and wrinkles are absolutely fine. I personally think they just add a little bit more realism to the craft. Now I'm going to trim some contact paper just a little bit on the bottom. Next, I'm going to align the 2 sides of the printable. Now, make absolutely sure that they're 100% aligned, otherwise your salad kit will come out crooked. Once you align them, you want to bend that piece of contact paper to the back side of the printable. Now I'm going to use some hot glue to secure the bottom of this package. If you think, well, maybe I don't need hot glue, I'm just going to use the contact paper because it's already sticky. You're wrong, you definitely need to use glue. I've tried it without glue and it doesn't really hold. You don't have to use hot glue, you can use any other kind of glue that you have on hand. And if you are using hot glue, definitely exercise caution, don't burn yourself. Now I'm going to trim contact paper from the bottom of the package and let it rest for a few minutes. Make sure that the hot glue is all set. A few minutes have passed and now it's stuffing time. I've tried different materials for stuffing, and I strongly recommend using either napkins or paper towels. I have tried using tissue paper and old newspapers, and they just don't hold the shape right. Definitely go with napkins or paper towels if you have any on hand. And now you have 2 options. You can either glue the salad bag shut, and it's a purely decorative item for display, photography, etc. Another option is to leave the top part open and stuff it with some pretend salad. Right now you see me gluing the top part shut because that's what I'm going to use these salad kits for. They're going to be for display and photography. If you're wondering about the salad that you see on the top of the screen, I'm going to show you how to make it later. It's super easy, super quick. As you can see, this bag looks pretty realistic. I'm going to show you another one. This one is Twisted Caesar. I've actually never seen this kit in the store, and a regular Caesar salad. I think my dolls will be happy. Now I'm going to show you how to make pretend salad. Super easy. I'm going to use green and off-white tissue paper. All you need to do is crinkle it and break it apart into small pieces. And I know it sounds weird, it sounds like it's a kindergarten craft, but it really looks kind of realistic, especially in photos. I was actually kind of surprised how realistic it looked. First green tissue paper, then off-white tissue paper. I'm gonna add some carrots to my salad, so I grabbed this sheet of craft foam. First I cut off a really thin strip of craft foam and then I cut it into small pieces. Toss it together and your salad's ready. If you decide to stuff it into the salad bag, you can absolutely do that. Although I strongly recommend cutting off the excess contact paper from the top because my salad kept getting stuck to the contact paper. So once you cut that contact paper off, you can stuff the salad bag and then you can just play and pretend that you are getting salad out of the bag, ready to be served. I was really surprised how realistic the salad looked on screen. If you're planning to use it for pictures, this is a great prop. It does tend to fall apart, so you might want to spray it with spray glue to keep it together. Here are all the salad bags that I made today. I think they came out really good. And I like how they're not perfect. There are some crinkles here and there that gives them just another level of realism, and I really like it. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if there are any other realistic foods that you'd like us to make on this channel. Mention specific brands and flavors, and we're sure to make it in the future. This was 100% the easiest American Girl craft that Kat and I have ever made. If you think about it, it's just paper with some stuffing inside, and yet these salad bags look so real. And the salad itself looks real too. Minimum skills, minimum effort, great results. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and turn on the notification bell so YouTube will always let you know when we post a new video. And if you're not a subscriber yet, you should definitely consider subscribing to our channel. We always post the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on additional days as well. It's a lot of American Girl content, at least 4 videos every week. Every Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we post crafting videos. And every Sunday, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we post a flip through old catalog video. Those are old American Girl catalogs, and I know a lot of you enjoy looking through them. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.